Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy Ethereum using your MetaMask wallet. We will walk through the entire process, from ensuring your wallet is ready to confirming your new assets. This guide will help you confidently acquire Ethereum directly within the application, making the process straightforward and secure. We will cover key steps, including funding your wallet and understanding transaction costs, so you can manage your digital assets effectively. Before purchasing, make sure your MetaMask wallet is fully set up and accessible. You will need to fund your wallet using a supported payment method, such as a debit card or bank transfer, which are often integrated directly. Be prepared for a quick identity verification process, as many payment providers require this for security and regulatory compliance. This step ensures a smooth and secure transaction when you are ready to buy. Once your wallet is funded, locate the buy or swap option within your MetaMask application. Here, you will select Ethereum from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Input the exact amount of Ethereum you wish to purchase or the fiat equivalent you want to spend. Always take a moment to carefully review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any associated fees, before proceeding to the next step. After reviewing all the transaction specifics, including the gas fees, confirm your purchase. The network will then process your request, and typically within a few minutes, your newly acquired Ethereum will be visible in your MetaMask wallet balance. You can always check your transaction history within the wallet to track your purchases. Congratulations, you have successfully added Ethereum to your digital asset portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.